Today I have an adorable and much more affordable alternative to a very popular Fendi bag. And there's something a little extra special about this piece, so stay tuned. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags and small goods to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. And one of the perks of subscribing to my channel is you get to see my community post on your YouTube homepage, where I post deals, discount codes, sales, and rare finds related to these beautiful things we love. First of all, this video is a collaboration with my friend Winnie B LV. I just did a collaboration with her 2 videos ago, and now we're already doing another one. And it's all my fault because, actually they both were all my fault, because I came across this little item and I knew that she would love it, because as you can tell, it's an itty bitty little thing and she loves itty bitty little things. Well, at least when it comes to handbags. So we're gonna open this up and then we'll talk about what it is an alternative for in the Fendi realm. This bag is actually from Coach, but I purchased it at Bloomingdale's because I have not seen it at Coach in this colorway. That's one of the special things about it. Breaking out the scissors for this one. Here it is in this tiny package. My gosh, I need the scissors so much. I had shown this to Winnie and she already has one in another colorway, and I saw this colorway pop up, which I had not seen yet anywhere else, and the price is really good on this piece. And she said, oh, I love it, but I'm gonna pass. And then a few days later, I looked at it again and it was on sale. It was 25% off. So I showed it to her again and she bought it. And I also bought it. Here it is. Let me get it all unwrapped. Oh my gosh, how cute. Such a pain to unwrap Coach items. They really overdo it. Plus, if they want to be so sustainable, they really need to figure out how to wrap their packaging with less material. How to wrap their packaging, is that what I said? That wasn't correct. How to wrap their items with less material. Okay, 20 minutes later, I finally got it unwrapped. It is the Micro Coach Tabby. I'll bring it closer. And one of the special things about this is it's in the Canyon color. The other special thing is that it's the micro size. I'll give you a spin of this while I tell you that the other 2 Micro or Nano, I'm not sure what they're called, I will link it below, soft tabby bags from Coach are in more of a suede looking material, though it's not suede, and there's one in a deep turquoise and one in a purple. Winnie has the purple one. This Canyon color looked on the website like it was more of a, I'll show you an example. Here's my Coach Stewardess bag. This is in British tan. The Canyon on the website looked like it might be more of a British tan, but you can see it's a bit more orange than that. But it doesn't scream orange. It could definitely be more of a neutral if you'd like it to be. Leather trim on it is more of a British tan, which is a brown with a bit of a red hint, or a bit of an orange hint, depending on how you want to describe it. It comes with 2 straps. One is this short little one, and then the other is this longer shoulder strap or crossbody. I'll model that for you in just a minute. Both of those are removable, and it even has the tiny little Coach tag. Of course, it has this beautiful CC here and a snap lock. It has plastic on the locks. The inside is kind of a micro suede, and because it's the soft tabby, it's a very floppy leather. Take out the stuffing. Ooh, this leather is so soft and squishy. You can tell there's actually a pocket on the back where you could put some credit cards or debit cards or ID or whatever you carry. So that's handy. And then it has all this storage space here, as well as the Coach story patch. Here's how it looks next to me to give you an idea of how small it is. And I have the crossbody strap on the longest option here, so that's how it sits on me. It's really cute and it makes me want the other ones. All right, now what Fendi bag is this an alternative for? I'm going to present you with 2 ideas. One, for this nano size, would be the Fendi Nano Baguette. The Nano Baguette is a little bit smaller. It is just big enough to hold cards and not much bigger than that. Whereas the Coach Micro Soft Tabby will hold cards and several other things. Here's a side view of them together so you can tell the Tabby really is a bit bigger. But if you love this little Micro Fendi or Nano Fendi Baguette, but you don't love the price point, which is between maybe $700 and this particular version was about $1,200, and I think there's some even more expensive than that. Well, this Tabby is a much better price point. Full price on the Tabby is only $200, and I got it on sale as did Winnie, for $150. I'm not sure that price is still available, but I will be sure to link this below. And I'll link some pre-loved options on these little Fendi pieces because I really love this one. And I do recommend both of these actually. If you're looking for a Fendi bag or Fendi baguette, but you don't want to spend many thousands on a larger bag, this really is a great alternative for you. And this is even better if it doesn't have to be Fendi. Now the other option I would offer to you is that the regular size Coach Soft Tabby is a fantastic alternative to the Fendi Mama baguette. Ignore the size difference for a second, but check out the shape of these bags. Maybe if I do, hold on, maybe if I do like this, you can see them better, get the proportions better. So they're really about the same shape. They're both triangular from the side. Neither has a back pocket. They both have, well, the larger version of this would have a shoulder strap. They both have the big logo on the front. They're both the flat bags. They're just very, very similar bags. Now the full-size Coach Tabby is, depending on which version you get, about $450 right now. I have seen quite a few on sale lately, and I have linked those in my community posts. So if you are not a subscriber, please make sure you subscribe so you can see my community posts. I often post things there, sales and great finds and rare items, before I ever have time to post a video. Or usually I'll post things there that I never even make a video on. So you'll want to be subscribed so you can see that. So $450, but you can get them on sale. I saw one yesterday. It's sold out now, but it was only $150, as much as this one. Full size. And the full size one is about the same size as this Mama baguette here. Now the Fendi Mama baguettes, you can find these for about the same price as a full price Coach Soft Tabby. I've seen them in the $400 price range, $500. I've seen them upwards of $1,000, $2,000. It really depends, but you can find a lot of them under $1,000. So this would be another alternative to the regular baguette, which is several $1,000s if you want a Fendi baguette, but the tiny one doesn't work for you and the price point on the regular one doesn't work for you. This is a fabulous Fendi alternative for that. This I would also point out that if you don't want the leather strap, or if it doesn't fit you, or there's something about it you don't like, you can get Coach chain straps. They usually have them on the outlet for only about $15. So if they still have that, I will link it below. Otherwise you can find third-party chain straps all over the place. Oh, I wanted to show you one more thing. Why didn't I pull this out earlier? It would have been really helpful. I have a full-size Coach Tabby. Why didn't I think about that? It's just not the soft Tabby version, but this would be a better comparison for you to the Fendi Mama baguette. It does have the same shape as the soft Tabby, it's just this one's very structured. So you can see very, very similar size and shape. This one has a back pocket, which is really nice. The soft Tabbies also have a back pocket. The Fendi Mama baguettes do not though. I mean, look how similar that is. It's wonderful. And this has a shoulder strap, and this particular one, mine is black. I tell you what, this is a beautiful bag. I love this. This particular one has 2 compartments. I actually think of this bag, since it's more structured and it has those compartments, as more of an alternative to the Gucci Dionysus, the shoulder bag of that. However, you get the idea. Very, very similar. Oh my gosh, look, it could be a bag charm. It's adorable. You really could wear that on the outside of a bag. That would be another really handy use for it. Just like I take a Louis Vuitton clay and I hang that on the outside of a bag, especially at an airport, so I can have my ID handy right there and easy to find. You could do the same thing with this. You could attach a clip to it to attach, or you could just run the handle around like I just did with the other bag. Let me show you one really helpful thing about these bags really quick, because it's a problem some people have had with them. And I have a solution for you. It has to do with these clips here. So you see how I have this where the curved part of the clip is on the inside touching the flap of the bag? That is how you want to do it. If you attach the strap the other way, where the part that you have to push up to undo the clip is next to the bag, when you open the flap, it can sometimes push that thing up, the little lever, and your strap would fall off. I've heard about that happening to lots of people. So very simple solution. In fact, it just happened to me. Attach your strap like this and it will not happen. And that brings us to the end of the video. Now I need a favor from you. Please make sure you go over to Winnie B LV's channel. I'm going to have it linked below. In fact, I'll have her video linked below, because she is unboxing a spectacular little piece from Coach. And if you liked this video, you're going to want to see that one. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.